Vanessa, welcome to Ghana.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm so excited to be here at 94.7, and I'm just so glad to have this conversation with you.
Vanessa, I'm so glad also to have you on my studios.
Oh.
If you mention Vanessa, meaning it's a borrowed name.
Yes.
Can you give me your African name, Ghanaian name, or local name? Can you mention it to us?
My full name is Vanessa Adwoa Rose Smith.
Right. Adwoa
Yes.
Rose Smith.
Exactly.
Right. Then Adwoa means...
I was born on Monday.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so it was very important to make sure that my parents put that on my birth certificate.
Right.
Yes.
So the Smith from where?
The Smith actually came from my father, but it is a borrowed name as well. So our real name would be Drobing.
So you are Adwoa Drobing?
Yes, sir.
Right. If you say you are Adwoa Drobing, you are a Ghanaian.
Ghanaian.
Can you tell me about your parents?
Oh, yes. Before I get into everything, I also just wanted to say thank you to the listeners for listening, and also introduce myself a little bit.
Answer me first.
Okay.
To that one.
Okay.
You say you are Adwoa Drobing.
Yes.
So tell me about your parents.
My dad is Ghanaian. He is from Kwaso, and my mom is from Sierra Leone. We are based in Kenema over there. And I was born in the U.S., but our culture has always been a very, very important part of my life, as well as all of our siblings. Although we live in the U.S., we have the same culture, the same vim. So just because we live in the U.S. does not mean that the culture went away at all.
Right. As you have said it, that's what I want to know. Right. Because Adwoa Drobing, if anyone hears Adwoa Drobing, you are fully 100% Ghanaian. Right?
Yes.
Right. But now you have realized that you are Ghanaian Sierra Leonean.
Yes.
Right. But why Ghana?
Ghana had to be my number one stop. My dad is Ghanaian, and also when we migrated to in the U.S., it was Worcester, Massachusetts, which has a very, very big Ghanaian population. And so it was very, very important to me to come back home to the motherland, because my dad really raised me into who I am, as long so as my mother as well. But my dad has been such a big support, and my mom, although she is Sierra Leonean, she speaks the language, she cooks the food, she knows the culture more than even some Ghanaians themselves. So even it was my mom's idea as well, both of them collectively, to make sure that I come back to Ghana to really serve my community, as well as pay homage to what made me who I am today.
Wow. It's for Matibio. The mammy a Ghana, no mammy a Sierra Leone, and a papa a Ghana. But the Pia Tibika say, the papa and shame, the papa and you say, by a tear by Sedusikai, or see both parents did their best, but the father also did his best.
Yes.
To win her, said obey back Ghana. My so support you about Ghana. By the way, tell me about yourself.
Yes. So as you were saying, I am Vanessa Adwoa Rose Smith, as well as Drobing, and I am Miss Teen Universe USA, as well as first runner-up for Miss Teen Universe International. So that is the whole world.